Did you know that there is a car crash every 2.5 seconds, resulting in 3 million injuries a year? And of these injuries, 2 million suffer from whiplash? In Utah last year, we had 28,241 reported accidents in our state alone. Since you are at this website, it is likely that you, a friend, or a family member are one of these numbers and feeling the pain of the car crash. This website was developed to supply you with a very comprehensive mass of information regarding car crashes. We have answers to your questions and information that will lead you to ask questions that you would never have thought to ask, but are critical in dealing with your car crash. Just a few of your questions may be, what type of treatment has been proven to be the most effective type of care for these injuries? Can I get my car fixed at any body shop that I want, or only where the insurance company tells me to go? Is my insurance going to go up because of the accident? Am I able to get a rental car, and will my insurance cover it? Is there anyone who can help me with all of the paperwork involved in these accidents? What you need is information from experienced, knowledgeable, specialized professionals in the car crash industry to help you make educated choices. You shouldn't rush into making any decisions without knowing all of the facts. You need someone who will take the time to listen to your concerns and give you the information you need. For this reason, we have selected some local professionals in the fields of medicine and insurance, as well as car rental agencies, car dealerships, and body shops. They will arm you with information and guidance that will help you make intelligent decisions about every aspect of your car crash. Because what you don't know can hurt you. Join us and let the education begin. By becoming a member of CarCrashPain.com, you will be entitled to a number of benefits at no cost to you. Some of these benefits include immediate access to a car rental, free consultations with a doctor, help with all your paperwork, a step-by-step checklist to assist you in handling your injury case, free visits and discounts to a local gym. Just click on a question by the category of interest, and a video will play to answer your questions. To speak to one of these experts personally and get the special offers they provide, just complete the registration and go to the links of your choice.